Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Hypocritical TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Hypocritical TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like content, subscribe and make a good platform. You don't know, you see. Don't know. It in and out, so you don't know time after time. We still have to touch base, you see, because like we say, we're there busy with some things were beneficial to our community, said speed. See? So we notice a little thing go on in the media in a recent time between Foota hype and, you know, the rest them in general, or some dreadlocks man in general. You see, we see when I go on between him and Mutabaruka in the most recent time when him say, you know, Mutabaruka coming like you know, a move like one of them were there, you know, see. So, boy, you see, this nyam food mentality. I have a little video clip here where I show with Foota hype still from back in the past. Give thanks to my brethren, I just star. See, enough respect you. They don't know a long time we not touch base. It's so happen. See? So, we have a little video clip here where I show with Foota hype being more than likely a hypocrite through this nyama food mentality where exists amongst I and I. You know, see, and the same nyama food mentality where we are talking about from long time. You know, it maintains a high level of hypocrisy and double standard amongst I and I, even Rastafari youth them same way too. You know, see, because when you look on the thing you know, you see, as long as a food in it, for one, we want to benefit, I want to him friend a benefit, him bad man friend or him scammer friend or whatever type of friend a benefit. A man will want certain things and live with certain things. You know, see, but when, you know, when him see another man do that the same thing for whatever reason, you know, it's not like I man they are defend no man or a bash no man. We are bash a culture. You know, see, a principle where develop amongst I and I where, you know, when you practice them type of thing there, there's no way, you're not in a position for really being a great critique but no other guy who you say I do it as well. You see? So, we have a little video clip here where we are going to show and then we'll get back in the reasoning in depth. See? So we give thanks. Stay tuned.
The whole clique from the protege to the chronics to the everybody we par with them know what go on. None of them something are no secret. Zin them know what go on. They know. Zin most of the girl them, what's them a rasta we par with that clique there? Them do girl. Zin most of them were par with that clique there, do girl. All you see them have locks and sing righteousness, them do girl. And chronics no, and protege no. Not a identity. Cause if me know, them know. And who a tell me, confirm it, said them know. Alright. Me that follow Lila and me unfollow her. When I find out the story of them, me unfollow her. Me never style her. Me never make it public information. Me just unfollow her and me tell couple people in my circle. See? When I tell a couple people in my circle, them know and them hold it. Because from me I hold it, them hold it. R.I.P. to my brethren, Ricky Tiki. See? Ricky Tiki, I him tell me about Lila Ike. See? Because I don't know her. And him tell me, say, yo, she a bad artist and real, so me start follow her. So when I gather the information, me unfollow her and call him. And say, dog, oh, you have me a follow this girl, yeah. And she ran and tell. And I say, Foota right now, she give me a strength, you know. Because you done, she say, nothing now going on, I want to get back in a foreign. And she gonna give me the strength, you know, because I can start promote her. I can start fly with her. I can start do some road thing, some road manager thing. I say, dog, a big joke thing, dog. She push them righteous energy, but yet still she over one next part, and he must say, Foota, may I beg you. Don't say nothing or beat her, because she alone help me right now. You see me, him say, yo, you don't know killer, give me a little strength and thing, but she and coaching me response, so me I beg you, no beat her. See? Alright. I say it no become public information yet. I tell him, I say, it no become public information yet, so I not gonna talk about it. See? Me in sympathy with her.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So even probably before Mutabaruka, no. Say Lila Ike stay a certain way. Foota I no. See? Even before it became public knowledge certain way. Foota I know. As him admit this in the video to himself. See? But to him a protect the food when brethren and nyam. See? Him keep the secret. See? Now, as a public figure then, you know, somebody where a perpetuate openness, righteousness and all of them things there. When you see the righteousness and go on, as it's the good word says, the silence of the righteous that's allow evil to triumph. See? Now, a brother can know about all evil others more serious evil. We're not prepared to talk about at this point here because what go on is that a brethren and you have food off of it. A sister and you have food, a family member and you have food. See? So we're not prepared to talk about it because we don't want it bust out yet. We want our friend or family or whoever eat as much as them can before we say something in regards to that. No, like I said, I know they are bash no one, I are bash a culture. And I not defend no one either. You know, see? It's the same thing with Mutabaruka. See? But I want to know say the same knife for stick sheep, stick goat. You know, see? It's joke for say IRFM invite if you come do a interview and them saying if you speak on certain issues and you don't go because you don't want to speak on it. When you do it for a brethren, a friend. You know, see? While you go in a institution now where you have only for interest to protect something that way you know. You know, see, if it was something standard like gunman or them type of thing they are crime and them think that they must say they don't know what you talk about, you probably would have said, you know what, yeah, you're not dealing with it. You're not talk about it. You agree if you're going to do the interview. But because of this subject regarding the LGBTQ community, in respect of how, you know how influential and powerful this group is, you know, you say you're not go. But earlier, you know, the said clippings of the show, you did prepare not to say anything on behalf of your brethren. 3 man you have my food. You know, see? Now, I use Mutabaruka work with them people there. And this is not in defense of Mutabaruka. See? Because we're going to examine some more things as well. See? You see, as Mutabaruka work with them people there, if you don't mind, Mutabaruka could have vested interest in that institution called IRFM as well. You know, see, I'm prepared for protect film personal investment. You know, see, you are protect your bridging potential investment. And that's something where happened here. You all say RIP to him there. You know, see, who knew all along say this female artist here was of a certain persuasion. See, admitted so to you. See, and even you, after you know, you tell a few of your brethren and tell them, you know, hold it down. Don't say nothing about this. See? And the principle was maintained amongst the Idem Rasta. You know, see it? Why the same level of double standard or understanding can be extended towards another one who choose to do the same, like where the Idem do. You know? It don't make no sense. See? It don't make no sense. You want nyam food, your brethren want nyam food after the silence. Mutabaruka want to do the same after the silence. And all of these things here culminate in the perpetration of high-level corruption. Because everybody have something to protect. So nobody not have no real, intention of speaking up about other people's corruption, because for them one might come out in the sphere, the public sphere as well. You know, see it? Now, a couple of years ago, we did hear, it might not be that long ago either, we did hear, what's your name here? What's your name here? I always have a problem remembering her name, when I am and I try to talk about her. Queen Africa. Queen Africa says she bust an artist door. I go link the artist in the night, a female artist, and when she looks, she see the female artist in a certain compromising position with the next female. See? And she did call name and all of them things there and talk about it. See? Now the location where she talk about these things happen was on the reggae boat. See? And the man them, is out with them things that happen. It's a constant thing because the organizer them liberal, them way there, allow them things to happen. The Marleys them, which is the Marleys them. The Marley brothers them. See? Now, Foota hype of a slot on the Marley's brothers them show. You never really hear him showing a form of dissent or outrage regarding the acceptability of these behaviors on the reggae boat. You know, see it? We never really hear them thing there. See? Now, double standard and righteousness no work. You know, see it? You have to have free flow on one balance, on one level. See? I outline your reason for not, affordability of, not being able to argue certain things. Because at the end of the day, way to go. Like I always say, God tried it in a Sodom and Gomorrah, and them still escape. So what want I say? Sodom and Gomorrah was a lie, or God not perfect enough to demolish a group, a small group. Something not right. See? So it's either not in it's either not in the interest of the greater happenings who are going, seeing, or it not something not right. See it. like me I say, where the man them pocket is concerned, because I don't hear Foota Hype come out in support of Queen Africa and says either thing that. You know, see it. And say the mall is them for do something about that or stop do that or don't do that or whatever. Because at the end of the day, no want it affect him pocket. Seeing? This culture where if you nyam a food, cause it coming like it's just that go on in this instant here, where a food a nyam, a man bridging and nyam a food, so him will wall it down and him wall it down. See? But another man nothing do it. You see another man do it and you don't see it. I never hear the interview with Mutabaruka, fear Mutabaruka opinion or fear argument regarding the whole Lila issue. You know, see it. But still, you know, from where I hear, it's like Mutabaruka didn't want to, you know, enter in a conversation regarding that topic. So him divert from it. Now because of this, because of that, him is a, you know, a certain woman's anatomy, female anatomy. You know see it? You know see it, Rasta? Yet still, we don't hear nothing we go on, we don't hear no extension, no extended argument pan what go on, you know, what go on over the reggae boat. And these things that keep happening over and over, and one time it happen. You don't see it. You don't see it. So these things are Rasta, this Jama food mentality, yeah. You know? This Jama food mentality need to be a constant conversation among us. You know, see, before we can even think so well, then we are going to be too critical of each other, Rasta. You know, see it, because it's so prominent that we never realize it. That becomes a part of us. We accept it. We accept it as, you know. And it's just for our belly, right? Why we accept it. Or another brethren's belly. You know, see? Because you all you do, you unfollow her and confront the man who introduce you to her and things like that. And that was that. Seeing the man beg you for wall it down and you wall it down. I mean, come on. Or you know it's not the same thing. It's well, obviously it's the same thing play out in a Mutabaruka situation. Because obviously if I refer back to tell you, say, why, wall it down, don't talk about this, don't talk about that. Seeing, you know, the possibility is there that's an IRFM look for motor and so watch ya. Just let go them argument, they don't follow up them argument there. In brethren, when I'm a food, say to him, say, yo, man, I'm a food, I fight, so don't say nothing. Why? I tell you, Rasta. You know, see. But what, you see, what this is all about is an opportunity for bash Rasta. An opportunity for have some sort of controversial argument regarding a group as Rastafari. You know, see, with Foota Hype, that me observe. See, yeah, it's like an argument for so well then you're righteous more than a Rastafari or you do more than what Rasta do or what Rasta will ever do. You know, see, that's a functional disorder. Yeah. A narcissistic disorder, Rasta. Because no man is perfect. One alone is perfect. You know, see it? Anyway, we give thanks. And them give them opinion in the comment section because, you know, more time, yeah, them give them opinion in the comment section once again. And I give thanks. Rastafari.